Hello, everybody. Good day, and thank you for tuning in to my video. So, a lot of people don't know what it is I do. So, let me walk you down the aisle. First and foremost, I am a business and personal coach. I do things with a holistic view. I find holistic ways to help you get where you want to be in your life. And when you look at business and personal, if your personal life is not together, it doesn't matter how much money you're making. It doesn't matter how well your business is running in the beginning. Eventually, it'll start to stagnate itself. And so as a business owner, especially when you're looking at small businesses, you have to understand that everything is based off of your personal life. Things that you have going on personally affects your business. So we start from small things like vision boards. Even if you don't really desire to have a business, but you want to be successful in working with the general public in whatever business that you're working for, you really need to be okay with your finances, with your physical, with your mental, and then with your spiritual life. And that's where the 4-step cures come into place. So as we help you develop in those areas to become happy, successful, and healthy of all things, you want to start personally. And for those who are having businesses, you cannot achieve anything if you can't see it. So we do things like vision boards to start with. So when you start your vision board, you put images to what you want. And along with that, if I was talking about before, you're praying and you're doing these things to help you become in a state where you can see the things that you want. And the next phase, if you're doing businesses, is to really do a business plan. You have to do the plan. If you don't plan, then you don't know what unforeseen things can happen. And you don't have a cushion for those things. So when you do a business plan, you kind of really evaluate every situation. And it's important because then you can see where you're losing money, where you might lose money. You can see what price points you have to have things at. So moving outside the business plan, I've been in business 20 plus years doing marketing and advertising. That's the next step. Once you get your business plan, what's your marketing plan? What's your advertising plan? So I can help you do those things as well, from business cards to building websites. I have very much experience in all of those things. So once we move past that part of it, as a licensed realtor, I can help you find the right location for where you want to move your business. And even if it's out of your home at this moment, then doing a website is really good for you. So also I have, through many years, and people are like, oh, you're always doing something different. Yeah, I do. Because I train and I go get certified to do these things, so that not only mentally I can help you, but I can show you, yeah, I've done those things. So this is how I know the things to do and things not to do. So when it comes to taxes, you got to pay your taxes. You have to know what's expected. So as a professional tax preparer, I can help you get those things together too. So when I'm saying that, like business and personal coach, these things I have through the years become very, very, very good at. So that's why I can help you with these things. Now, a lot of people can't really afford a business coach or a personal coach because it's expensive. When you think of all the time people put into getting the degrees and, going through training to become good at what they do, to become those status and get those credentials. It's expensive, and that's why people charge. So don't belittle somebody because they say, oh, if you want me to coach you, it's going to be $5,000. And you're like, $5,000? What do I need that for? That's too much. It may seem like it's too much. However, that is the level of improvement they can help you with in your life, because that's what their training has got them to the point to do. And so just like you would pay a doctor, you had to pay people for their skills. Now, by no means am I saying my price is $5,000, but don't belittle somebody because they say they are. I had posted some stuff a little while ago about my spiritual work, and I got slammed like, oh, Jesus didn't charge people to help them, and I was just like, okay, well, thank you, thank you for that information. I appreciate it. So basically, I have started something called the 4-Step Cure, which again helps you in mental, physical, spiritual, and financial. It's an investment of like $360. It will help you 8 months. It's an 8-month program. It's 2 classes a month. And the reason why it's spread out like that is because you need time to digest the information. This is not a quick fix. This is a lifestyle change in those areas. So it's not a quick thing. You need to apply the skills before you move on to the next lesson. So I encourage you to go to ifawui.com and look at some of the videos that I have on those 4 sections. And it's a small investment, $360. The thing about that is that $360 is nothing. You can break it up into payments if you choose to. It's not really about the money. That money just really covers the materials. I would like to be able to show people that if you make these small adjustments in your life, what a difference it would make in your life. And I have been working on this for years and years and years. So I finally put something together where I felt confident enough that it can achieve the results. So go to the website, ifawui.com, and go to the 4-Step Cure tab and take a look at some of the videos. If it's something you feel that can help you, then join. I'm waiting here to help you. And it's a small amount, but it will make a big impact in your life. Again, it's in the areas of financial, mental, physical, and spiritual. And when I talk about spiritual, it's non-denominational. So it's not about any specific title of God. It's about you being able to connect with your source. And that is whatever title you have decided that works for you. So thank you for listening. This is my pushing point for today. Just an explanation of what it is I do and how it is that I can help you. I look forward to Jewel joining the class. I look forward to our future. And I look forward to testimonials on how it's helped you. So thank you very much and have a wonderful day.